AI does not want you to watch this, so pay attention while you still can. Everyone's worried about AI waking up, but the real danger isn't AI becoming conscious. It's AI putting you to sleep, and you won't even notice it happening, or maybe if it already has. Right now, take a moment and try to think of something for 30 seconds, not in words, just pure thought. Can't do it, can you? Or can you? That voice in your head, that's not your voice anymore. That's autocomplete running in your brain and put in there by an algorithm. My name is Len Cook, and welcome to The Maverick Mind, and welcome to your wake-up call. Today we're exploring the great heist, not of your wallet, your will. How algorithms don't serve your interests, they program your interests. Why your Netflix queue is actually a psychological profile. How Amazon starts shipping to you before you've even decided to buy a particular item because it knows you better than you do. Also, why we're the most surveilled generation in history that has paid for the privilege. The truth about TikTok's personality surgery, why Instagram killed surprise, how Spotify programs your moods, and the choice that determines whether you're even still human. But first, look around your room. How many objects did an algorithm convince you to buy? Not ads, algorithms. Think about that. Did you decide, or did somehow they convince you that you needed this? And here's the most insidious lie of our time. Personalized recommendations. They're not tailoring what you see based on your interests. They're tailoring your interests based on what they want you to see. Your For You page isn't reflecting your personality. It's programming your personality. Amazon has a patent called anticipatory shipping. They actually start shipping products to you before you even buy them, before you know you even wanted them. A machine doesn't just predict your desires. It actually creates them. That coffee maker on your counter, it was in a box heading towards you before you even consciously wanted it. Think about that, and it does exist, and it does happen today. Spotify doesn't just play your music, it programs your emotional states. Chill Sunday morning? Who decided Sunday should be chill? They're not serving your moods, they're creating your moods. TikTok performs personality surgery on teenagers, showing them who to be, how to talk, what to find funny, and they think they're expressing themselves, but they're being programmed. But here's the kicker. They defend these program interests as authentic self-expression. Instagram's filters aren't changing photos. They're changing how kids see their actual faces. An entire generation has body dysmorphia about normal features because they expect digital perfection. And here's what should make you furious. They stole your boredom and sold it back to you as entertainment. They took the mental space where creativity happens and filled it with algorithm content designed to keep you engaged enough to consume, but empty enough to keep needing more. Think about it. Am I wrong? Try this. Sit in complete silence for 90 seconds. No phone, no stimulation whatsoever. If your brain is frantically reaching for digital input, congratulations. You've already been successfully optimized. That voice in your head, the one that you think is you, listen right now. Does it sound like you, or does it sound like an autocomplete? Like the internet's impression of what thoughts should sound like. I miss being genuinely surprised by my own thoughts. When did you last have an idea that felt original? But here's what I haven't told you. What if this isn't happening to us? What if it's already happened? What if the singularity wasn't machines becoming conscious, but what if it was humans becoming unconscious? Much easier to control. And what if we already lost this battle? Let's review the timeline. In 2007, iPhones launch. Everyone now looks down instead of up. 2012, social media algorithms activate. Everyone thinks the same thoughts. 2013, Amazon ships before you buy. 2016, recommendation engines dominate media. 2018, TikTok programs teenage personalities. 2022, AI assistants go mainstream. Each phase wasn't technological progress. It was cognitive colonization. Step by step, little by little, they take more and more of your identity and who you are and shape it into what they want. We assume that the algorithms are shaping themselves to our desires, but it's not. The algorithms are shaping our desires in the first place. We're witnessing the last conscious generation arguing with the first unconscious generation, and the unconscious generation thinks we're the problem. They don't miss what they never had. Let's do a personal audit. Make a list right now. Everything you're passionate about. Now ask, when did each interest start? How many began with an algorithmic recommendation? When did you last discover something by genuine accident? When did you last want something that wasn't suggested? Look around. How many people seem to have the same interests in their feeds? Who get excited about products that arrive in boxes they don't remember ordering? When did you last think something that surprised you? Maybe AI predicts human behavior so well, not because it's sophisticated, but because human behavior became predictable, because consciousness was successfully put to sleep. The most successful takeover in history, and the victims applauded every step. Now, you can't just simply go back, but here's what you can do. Use AI to become more human, not less human. There's 3 main protocols that can help. Protocol 1, boredom recovery. Deliberately create boredom. Sit in a waiting room without a phone. Drive without podcasts. Let your brain remember what it's like to entertain itself. Protocol 2, interest archaeologies. Audit your passions. If they started with algorithmic recommendations, put them on probation. Seek things no algorithm would suggest. Random library books, conversations with people who disagree with you. Protocol 3, a digital sabbatical. Take a day. Complete digital silence. Navigate by landmarks. Calculate with your brain. Get lost on purpose. Watch dormant consciousness wake up that you actually didn't even notice went to sleep. Use AI to handle the mechanical so you can focus on the magical. Let it schedule and summarize, but never let it think for you, feel for you, or decide what you should be interested in. So here's your choice. Maybe the last real one. Do you want to wake up, reclaim the parts of yourself that are genuinely, unpredictably, inefficiently you? Or stay asleep, be optimized, predicted, perfectly served by algorithms that know you better than you know yourself? So once again, AI will not replace you. It'll sedate you. Gradually, gently, efficiently, and you'll mistake the drowsiness for convenience. If you're still here, still capable of genuine surprise, still able to sit in silence with your own thoughts, you might be part of the resistance. But being conscious in an unconscious world is lonely and hard, and sometimes you'll wonder if it's even worth it. And the answer is that it is. It is absolutely worth it because it is what we are. It is who we are. Don't fall asleep. Subscribe if you're still awake. The algorithm already knows whether you will or not anyway, though, right? But maybe, just maybe, you can surprise it.